Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring access and required packages. This gets you into the work immediately. Clone the repo, set API keys and environment variables, and install the sensitivity tool v2. Exo commands run. Once done, open your minimal config. IML and point the tool at the sample dataset to validate permissions. Make sure to run sensitivity version and a quick lint. This confirms the runtime and avoids wasted cycles when you begin the analysis. You now execute the core analysis command and watch how the tool flags items. Run sensitivity run config equals config. IML mode equals scan and follow logs. This reveals initial classifications so you can tune them. Once done, change sensitivity. Threshold to 0. 7 or test with 70% to balance false positives and rerun. Make sure to enable debug for verbose logs when you need exact execution traces, because those traces explain why particular files or fields were marked sensitive. You finish by exporting and applying fixes so results are actionable. Export with sensitivity export format equals CSV to share with reviewers, then add targeted rules. IML overrides for false positives and rerun only those modules. Once done, merge approved changes into the main config and schedule periodic scans. If outputs unexpectedly differ, make sure to inspect the last run logs and rerun with debug. This single troubleshooting step resolves most discrepancies quickly and tells you exactly what changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.